Hello friends, welcome to another video tutorial. In this video, I am going to show you the new thing which we have added to the Nazmart, that is database automation in the cPanel shared hosting. With this plugin, newly released plugin, you can easily able to do the automation for your manual database creation in the shared hosting. If you are using Nazmart for your shared hosting, which is cPanel based, then it will be game changer for yourself. Let me show you in the details how you can configure this cPanel automator. Also how you can test it is working or not. Now go to the Nazmart admin panel and in the sidebar we will go to cPanel automation. In this page you will find option for configure your cPanel information, and also you will have option for test database. Let's quickly configure those three things so that you can understand how you can do for yourself. First, you have to enter your cPanel login URL, which will be something like this. And also have to enter your cPanel username. This will be like this. And now you have to create a cPanel token. Let me show you how you can create cPanel token in your cPanel. Once you have logged into the cPanel, you will see this interface. You can search here for API token. You need to click on this Manage API token button. In this page, you will find option for manage your existing API token, or you can create a new one. Let's create a new token. Click on Create button. Now give it a name. You can give it a specific expiration time, 1 year or 2 year. By default, it create for 1 year. Or you can simply select the API token, which will be no longer expire. Just now create a button. Your API token is done. Carefully, you need to copy this API token, because once you click on yes, I saved my token, it will not show it again. Let's click on I have saved my token. Let's get back to the Nazmart admin panel, cPanel automation. Paste the cPanel token which you have just created in cPanel. Click on Save Changes. cPanel settings is updated. Let's try our configuration. cPanel configuration is working or not. To do so, just click on Create Test Database. Wait a while. It will take some time. And done. Your cPanel configuration tester is successfully done. All operations are working as expected. So your configuration is done. Now, if any of your user create any website, they will get it immediately ready. Previously, you had to go to user manage, user issues, and then you had to create that database manually. If you configure these settings, you no longer have to create database manually. System will automatically able to create database, edit, delete, update for yourself automatically. So that's it for now. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.